Welcome to this short video describing the most important features of our software. The Proges Integrated Spatial Planning 6.0 is a set of methodological and technological tools for the participatory formulation of systemic spatial sustainable development policy and plans. Can be applied to different thematic contexts: land and marine spatial planning, integrated coastal zone management, sustainable development, biodiversity conservation, planning and management of protected areas, rehabilitation and restoration of degraded land areas, adaptation to climate changes, risk assessment and management of natural disasters, infrastructural networks, waste management, and urban development planning. The ISP60 software has many sections, but the most relevant are the system diagram section, where it is possible to create a physical representation of the system to be managed, integrating institutional, socioeconomic, and environmental aspects of spatial planning within a unique and consistent framework. Each component, the boxes, and each interaction, the arrows, are quantified and monitored using a set of specifically developed indicators. Below the system diagram, there are two other particularly important sections of the software. Hidden on the left, there is the component description section, where all the descriptive and operational information regarding the different components of the system are recorded. On the right, there is the section devoted to the creation and the management of the indicators for the quantitative assessment of the structural component and dynamics of the ISP reference system. Indicators are used to describe, inform, and evaluate. Form an environmental perspective indicator provide an effective tool for the monitoring of management decisions and results, and the identification of the environmental pressures and threats. Each indicator has one or more than one spatial reference, as well as one or more than one temporal scale, for customizing the interaction and the visualization of the data in the best possible way according to the user needs. Indicator should be representative, measurable, efficient, easy to understand, able to show spatial distribution and time trends of the focused social, economic, or environmental dynamic, and sensitive to change. Indicator should also serve to evaluate processes and environmental conditions according to the given objective, monitor the efficiency of the management actions, compare different sites and different situations, and assess future situations and scenarios. Now that the most important features and functions of the system have been illustrated, it is clear the valuable support provided by the project software and methodological package in supporting and simplifying the work of all the operators involved in any advanced management project with respect to the complexity of their reality, the simplicity and the speed with which the data can be interrogated and updated, the possibility of visualizing them represented both in space and in form of a graph or tabular, as well as having available time series of all the data necessary for the management of the system in question, make obsolete any other approach that is not systemic, and above all, it is not based on this efficient methodology and software tool package. To conclude this brief illustration, another powerful tool made available by the ISP60 software will be presented. The reporting tool section is a feature which allows the creation of reports, project documents, or manuals in a simple and efficient way. It is a Microsoft Word processor-based tool where, using specifically developed buttons, it is possible to import any elements of the system to be used as iconographic support to produce the desired document. It is possible to import automatically maps, charts, the entire system diagram or a part of it, as well as tabular data without the needs of performing tedious screenshot operations. The use of the mentioned tools and methodology ensure the effective mobilization of local stakeholders and facilitate the process of assisting them in the development of a vision and a set of clearly stated shared objectives and planning measures. To discover the many other functions and deepen your knowledge about the ISP60 software and methodology, follow Proges during the development of the many projects in which we are involved through our website and our social networks. Thank you for watching this video on Proges e-learning channel, and remember to subscribe to stay always up to date.